In this video, you will learn how to make AI videos like this using the CapCut AI Video Maker for free. So let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and visit the CapCut AI Video Maker website. The link is available in the video description. Once you open the page, you will see different options for creating videos. I will go with the Instant AI Video option. Now, select your aspect ratio. For example, I am making a short video, so I will choose this aspect ratio. Below this option, you can enter your script, but before that, you can choose the style for your video from here. For example, I'm creating a 3D cartoon story, so I will select the 3D style option. Next, enter your script here. After pasting your script, simply click on the Generate button. CapCut will generate the video based on your script and selected style. Once the video is generated, you can see the images here. The character remains consistent in each scene. You can replace or regenerate any image, and you can also delete scenes if needed. To replace an image, click on the Replace option and generate new images for that scene. You can also edit the prompt for the image if you want. After that, go to Elements. Here, you can choose a caption style. There are many styles you can try. If you don't want to add captions, simply disable this option. To export your video, go to Export, select the video quality and frame rate, and click on the Export button. Your video will be exported. That's it. This is how you can generate AI videos using the CapCut AI Video Maker. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.